Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, if you're on an iPhone or Android or even a computer, you can always disable that two-factor authentication. I'll show you how. Now let's head into the Roblox app here and log into your account. Now after I've done that, I'm logged into my account. I'm going to tap on the More button at the bottom right, those three dots. And now I need to get into the settings, so just scroll down until you get to that gear icon and tap on Settings here. From here you can see the second option. We're going to tap on Security, and you can see under Security, it will show two-step verification. I have the email turned on. To disable this, all I need to do is turn it off and hit Confirm. Ever keep in mind they'll email you another code to turn this off. So I need to head into my email here, and I will refresh this, and here is the new code to disable it. So I will copy this code and enter it in and hit verify. Now I have disabled it. I'll show you that it's working. Let's hop out of here, go back, and I'll hit log out and log out. Now if I want to sign in, all I have to do is enter the username and password and hit sign in. And just like that, I'm in without that two-step verification, and you're good to go. So that's basically how you can turn off two-step verification on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.